Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. In this tutorial I will teach you how to create this golden text effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Just closing this page and opening a new page in a Canva. Now I change the background to black or like this gradient, and just searching for some golden element. Actually, I used another one, but for my tutorial I use this one. But now I'm going to use this one. Go into the apps, searching for the font frame, open it, and here I can add my text. Canva teacher tutorial, and I have two options: choose file or use selected image. Now I'm using this second option. I can scale the image. As you can see, I can zoom it and going back to the original one. And in the settings, I can change the font, the alignment, the outline thickness. As you can see, even you can reduce it. If I move into the 0, I can give a very thick one. I'm just going to reduce to like 30. I can increase the lateral spacing, also the line spacing if needed. Then add the design to the project. And that just have to increase a bit the size and already have this golden text effect. And due to this is a picture, not a text, we can do this edit. So just go into here and add some shadow, drop shadow, and I can change the settings to the blur, the angle. I can move it whenever I want. And just to here, the distance I will moving down a bit. Also the intensity. Plus we can change also the color. And now this is our final result. Hope so you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in my next one. Ciao.